Hey guys, welcome back to the Unity beginner tutorial series. I am Vika. Today we are going to add UI elements to our game. At the end of this video, we are going to add and update the ISCO in the game window. So let's get started. Hey guys, quick fact. Since I have changed my computer, I have to copy all my project files from my previous computer. So I locate it using the Unity Hub using this open button here. Then I open it using the latest long-term support version, which is LTS. So I had to change the version as well. After opening it using a new Unity version, it worked without any issue. So you can see that in this video we are going to add some ISCO to this position and update the ISCO using a script. For that, first we need to add canvas. Before that, let me increase the font size, then you can see my screen clearly. Well, now right click on the hierarchy and add a canvas. After adding a canvas, you may notice that another component named event system has automatically been added to the hierarchy. Here I rename this canvas as UI canvas. Then I right click on the UI canvas and select UI, and I am going to add some text object. There you can see there are two options here as text and text mesh pro. Since text mesh pro has more features, I usually select text mesh pro. After clicking on text mesh pro, you can see a new window pop up here and you have to import text mesh pro essentials. Also add examples and extras as well. After importing, you can see new text appears here. If you want to change the text, change it from this text box. I am entering ISCO. Now you can see the text has changed to ISCO. Then I want to align this text into the top middle. So I click on this icon. Then I drag and move it here. If you want to drag in a straight line, hold the shift key and move it. Also, if you want to align it to the center, use this button in the inspector windows as you do in the Microsoft Word. To change the color, click this and change the color easily as I do. So I found that pink would look better for this text. Now I want to display the ISCO on the screen using a script. So go to the scripts folder and create a script called UI Manager. Then open it in Visual Studio. Then come back again to Unity and drag and drop UI Manager script to UI Canvas. Then come back to the script and create a serialized field calls. Before that we have to import text mesh pro. So here I type using tm pro semicolon. Then I type text mesh pro GUI and name it as text ISCO. Let's save and go back to Unity. Now you can see empty field named text ISCO here. What you have to do now is simply drag and drop this text object into the field. Again, I come back to the script and type text ISCO.text equal ISCO:0. Let's save first, and the ISCO is like this before I run. Then I run the game. Now you can see the ISCO text is changed to ISCO:0. Then we want to update the ISCO when we play the game. For that, I need to get the ISCO from the ISCO Manager script. So I open the ISCO Manager script and create a new public method named getISCO. So I type public int getISCO and inside the method I just return the ISCO. Then I go to the UI Manager script and reference the ISCO Manager. So I type ISCO Manager and semicolon. Then I create awake function and inside the awake function I type ISCO manager equals find object of type ISCO manager semicolon. Then I create another integer variable called ISCO. In the update function, I initialize it to ISCO manager.getISCO. Then I print the ISCO in the console using debug.log. Then I save and go to the Unity and play. Here you can see the ISCO is updating in the console. Then I come back to the Visual Studio and type the ISCO.text equals ISCO plus ISCO variable. Here you don't need to worry about converting integer value into a string. C# will handle it. Then I save and come back to Unity. Now I play the game. Yes, we can see the ISCO is updating on the screen. Now I want to change the font which displays. So I go to darfont.com and I search pixel. Now we can see a lot of pixel based fonts. So I found this font which is 100% free to use. Then I download the font and drag and drop that font to a new folder named fonts inside the Unity. Then right click on the font and go to create text mesh pro and select font assets. Before I create a font assets, let me try to drag and drop this font to ISCO text game object. You can see that is not possible. So I convert this into text mesh pro text font asset. After doing this, you can see that a new asset has created in blue color. Then I drag and drop this into font asset in the inspector of the ISCO text game object. Once we do it, you can see the ISCO is changed. Then I change the color to white again and add a little black color stroke. Let's play again. Yes, now we can see the ISCO is changing and the font also has changed. So that's pretty much it for the today's video. See you soon in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, then I can answer those questions. So see you soon in the next video.